Okay, I am back to make a mess. I have been wanting to do a purple painting for a little while now. I have a couple people that I know that this is their favorite color, so I've been wanting to do a two-toned purple. So I have right here, I have this purple by Artist Loft. It's the light violet. And then I have this purple by Arteza, which I have to tell you, I just love Arteza paint. It is Pearl Royal Purple. Say that 3 times fast. And when I added the Floetrol, I felt like it dulled it a little bit. So I came in with a little bit more of this Arteza Electric Plum Purple, and it's got a really cool sheen to it, which I hope shows up in the painting. And then I have some pre-mixed paint. This pink is mixed with the deep magenta from Artist Loft. It is also mixed with a couple other pinks that I had left over, so I can't tell you the true makers of this anymore because it's been mixed too much. And this gold is my favorite gold. This is the Deco Art Metallics, bright metallic paint, and this is my favorite gold, obviously. So let's see what kind of mess I can make with this one. Trying to decide if I wanted to add another color. It is definitely Carnival in there. That's what I see when I see that. I think Fun Carnival. Let's see, do I want to add another color? Just to break it up. Yes. And I add a little bit of baby blue in there. Just a little bit. We'll see if that even shows up. Okay, I'm gonna do a flip cup. I thought I was gonna do a traveling ring pour, but I changed my mind. This is a wooden canvas that I got at Joann's. I did gesso it, a very light layer of gesso, as you can see a little bit of the wood through it. So I was gonna do the traveling ring pour, and then I decided that these colors are gonna look so cool if I just flip it and see what happens. I can use these colors for another painting. I have plenty left over. All right, here we go. And I gotta say, it is much easier to flip on a wood canvas because you don't have to worry about the force that you flip it with, that you're not gonna be pushing down into the canvas. So that's why you can tell I barely have any spillage come out because it was such a good contact with the hard surface. All right, I'm dying to see what this looks like. Okay, for once, I'm not gonna touch it. I'm not gonna change the thing. I'm gonna let it do it. Let the gold take over. I can see a little bit of it popping up, if you can see that. I know my lights are kind of shadowing it. I mean, putting a reflection on it. I love that. I'm glad I added that little bit of blue at the end. I think the next one is just gonna have to have a little touch of blue too. Oh, I love it. It's so much fun. It is. It's like a carnival fantasy. All right, if that changes, I will show it to you guys.